How to find Netflix email and password. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your Netflix email and password. So let's just get into it. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure that your Netflix account is logged in. And if you have saved your password somewhere, it is most probably on your Google Manager. So you're going to have to find your Google Password Manager. To do that, open up Google first, tap on the profile icon at the top right, then click on Manage Your Google Account. It will automatically open up your Google Account Manager. You will have different tabs on the top of your screen. Just head over to the Security tab and scroll down all the way to the bottom. Here you'll find Google Password Manager. Now tap on Manage Passwords. Here you'll see a list of all of your passwords that's saved on your Google account. So what I'm going to do is scroll through here, which is sorted in alphabetical order. I'm just going to head over down until I find Netflix, and I'm going to tap on netflix.com. Now you can use a PIN or any biometrics like fingerprint or Face ID to verify that it's you. And once that is done, you will see your username or your email address up top, and right below that you'll have your password. And if you tap on this eye icon, you should be able to view your password easily. And that's how you basically find your Netflix email and password. If you found this helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.